What's up guys, Macron's Jones here, MCJ, back with another video on Power Automate, and today we're looking at more SharePoint actions, and the action we're going to look at is copy file. So this action can be used to copy a file from one location to another. So something that's kind of handy, especially if you're in lots of automation, working in lots of teams, moving files from one place to another. This allows you to move a file very easily. So let's take a look at it. I'm in Power Automate here. I've got my manual trigger because we're not going to pass any information to it, and we'll click on add and then add an action. We'll search SharePoint, find the connector, click on see more, and we're going to go down to copy file. So from here I'm asked for several pieces of information. The current site address, so where I want to copy a file from. So in this instance we'll choose our MCJ site 1. And then it asks me where file to copy. So what file do I want to copy from? So this is the source file. So I can put in the link here to the file, so again you can pass it from something else. I do also get a nice handy file explorer here, so we can go in here, we can see all the different places I can grab files from. We're going to choose our MCJ document library, and then we've got our two files in here. So this is the one we're using in some of our last videos. Check it out, docs. And then you can see this gives the full URL, or the partial URL of go to this site and then find this document library and this file. So using these two together gives you the full location. So again, you can copy this in from other parts of flows and things like that. Then we need our destination site address. So where do we want to copy this file to? So again, we'll choose our Explorer and we'll choose our MCJ site 1. And our destination folder, we're going to choose our shared documents folder. So if I click on here and not on the arrow, it'll just put in that shared document, so it knows where I need to put it. So this is where we're copying it from. This is where we're copying it to. And then we get this last option, which is if another file is already there, what do you do? And in here we have three options. We have replace, we have copy with a new name, and we have fail this action. So in this case, we'll choose replace for the first one, and we'll go through each of these actions and I'll explain what we do. So we'll choose replace, we'll hit publish, we'll choose test. We'll manually perform this one, click test, and run the flow. So this is so we'll wait for that to run successfully, it's all good. So this is our source location, so this is where we're copying files from, so you can see our two files in here. And this tab has our destination location, so we click on refresh, and we can see our file is in there. So that's gone in, but that was the only document in there, and that's fine. So let's take a look at these other actions. So if I click on edit, and instead of replace the file, what we can do is copy with a new name. So we'll choose that and we'll see what it does. We'll click on publish, test, manually test it, click on test, run the flow, click done, and that's going to run through. And take a couple of seconds to grab the file and everything. Go to our site, and now we can see we've got two files here. We've got checkout1.docs. So lastly, let's choose the last action here. We'll choose edit. Let's copy file, and we'll choose fail this action. So then we'll hit publish again, and we'll choose test once it loads. We'll manually perform it, click test, click run flow, click done, and instead of actually copying this, it's going to check that location and should throw an error here. There we go, bad request. So if we scroll down, we can actually see the error message here. A file or folder with the name check it out docs already exists in the destination file. So what that actually does is that allows you to handle that error. So it's going to throw an error, it's going to say, hey, nope, can't do this. And you can catch that error and then you can do something with it. So that's really handy, especially in a lot of instances where you maybe don't want to copy a file to a certain location. So I hope this is useful to you. It was useful to me. I think there's a lot of use cases for something like this. Whatever use cases you have, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, if you could like it and share it with your friends, and if you're not already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.